What's up? I picked me up a new boat. I kind of been looking for a boat. That river that I fished, it drops real bad, and it's full of trees and stumps and stuff. It's the river I tore up the prop of my big boat last year. It just makes me nervous putting that boat in. Like I said, when it drops real low, the boat ramp sucks, and it's hard to get that boat loaded back up. So I've been in the market for a smaller boat, which I have a 12-foot John boat just to throw in the back of your truck boat. But it's so hard to find a trailer that is decently priced, just a trailer by itself. So I've been looking for just a boat, something about 14 foot. It popped up on there, and I gave the guy an offer. I didn't think he'd accept it, but he did. So I went and picked it up yesterday. I think I did all right. Serial number on the boat shows it's a 1987 model, but it's in really good shape. It does have some wonky stuff done to it. But first off, I'm gonna show you what all I got in the deal. It's a low, so it ain't no just oddball boat that you can't figure out who made it. And it's a 1436. Came with 2 seats. This is one of them hinge seats. And then of course it comes with another camouflage seat up front. Came with a trolling motor, 34-pound motor guide. It's an older model, but it came with the boat. I ain't gonna complain about it. It also came with a battery. I'm not sure if it's good or not. Dude act like it was, but who knows. Nothing else is a core. Came with, dude threw this in. I thought this was cool. These are like 75, 80 bucks. He just gave it to me. As far as the motor, got a 7.5 horse Game Fisher. I've had one of these before. I think the one I had before was an older model. It was the one with the square cowl on it that had the internal gas tank. It also came with the gas tank. Now this motor, he said, was running fine, then all of a sudden started to where it would only run for 3 minutes when you got it cranked. Well, I'm no mechanical genius, but I would assume that's probably something to do with fuel. I went ahead and ordered a carburetor kit and went ahead and got a impeller for it too while I was at it. Came with this gas tank. That's another thing. I'm gonna go ahead and first thing I'm gonna do is drain that gas out and check out that fuel line, because that could be the problem too. That's an easy fix if it is. Trailer has brand new lights wired onto it. The trailer's one of them homemade type round tube deals, but it's got 3 pretty brand new tires with the spare tire. And it has a jack. I don't know, that jack's a little wonky, but it works. The winch is a little wonky too, but just like the jack, it works. He actually even gave me the ball lock, the hitch lock for it with the keys. That's 15 bucks right there. He threw in a new chain set for it. One of the chains that's on it now is broke. The hook's broke, which that'd probably be easier fixed than doing that chain. He even threw in these 2 paddles. And he gave me the engine stand, which, it's just some 2x4s, but I'll be able to get some use out of it. All right, that's what I got with the package. Let me show you guys what's wrong with the boat that I've noticed so far. This transom is pretty toasted. It's just not, it's only it's like a 2x8 in here, or just 8 inches wide, put it that way. I can't tell, it's probably just plywood. It might be the original transom, I don't know. But that should be fairly easy to replace. Of course, the motor, I gotta figure out what's going on with the carburetor on it. And for whatever reason, looks like somebody might have had a fish finder on it at one time. That's what these 2 holes would make sense to me. So, and then somebody just put some silicone in it. Dude said the boat didn't leak, but I went ahead and got some brazing rods, and I'm gonna try to fix that right. Also, for some reason, someone has these 4 bolts in it right here. I don't know, it kind of looks like it might have been a rod holder or something on the inside. I'm probably gonna go ahead and take those out and try to braze them maybe. And the main thing is this seat. I don't know what somebody was thinking, but they bolted this thing right to the bottom of the floor. I mean, it would have been easy to put a piece of metal right here or a piece of plywood even, you know, screw down to these ribs and then bolt that seat down. But they bolted it right to the daggum bottom of the boat. As you can see, not very smart. If you was to run up on something just right and hit them bolts, you could be in for a bad time. Old trailer is like I said, it's a homemade trailer. It's missing that piece of wood. I don't know if it just broke or it's supposed to be 2 pieces or what. I'm gonna have to do something about it. This is brand new, but it's a 5-prong, and my truck takes a 4-prong. I've never had one that takes a 5-prong. I don't even know what kind of trucks take that, but I think I might have one of those laying around. But that's it. I mean, if you look on the inside of this boat, I don't know, somebody painted this turquoise looking color, but it's in really good shape. I mean, look at the bottom of that boat. It's like clean as it can be. It don't even hardly look like anybody fished out of it. The last time it was registered was 2007 in Arkansas. So, I think I did pretty good. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the motor, everything out of the boat, slide the boat off the trailer, and go ahead and redo these bunks on it, which the wood seems to be okay on the bunks. With the carpet's like sketchy, it's all coming off and stuff. It'll just look a lot nicer replacing that carpet. And I think I'm gonna try to come off with some kind of guide, even if it's just PVC. It'd make it a lot easier loading the boat up in deeper water. And then of course get on that motor, try to figure out what's wrong with it. Well, that's it for as far as my little boat. Like I said, I'm pretty pleased with it. Dude was asking $1,000 for it, and I offered him $800, which ain't that's not like I just murdered him on an offer, but I figured he'd counter or something, and he just listed it 30 minutes before I messaged him. But he messaged me right back, and he accepted it, so I went and got it. $800. I think I did all right. You know, put it all together. If I can get that motor running in the springtime, if I decide to flip this boat, I mean, I think I could ask 13 or 14 for it and, you know, get 12 for it easy. That's the boat. Now I just got to get to working on it. It's been a couple days. Actually, it's been about a week, and I bought another boat. Let me show you what I got going on this one. This is a 1975 Buddy Boats John boat. It's I ain't never seen a boat with some of the stuff like this one has. Like, I don't know if this is original or add-on, but it's a spot for your gas tank. And this is the first boat I've seen that has the plug in the floor, and it's threaded. And unfortunately, it did not come with the plug, so I want to figure out something on that. Boat transom is garbage, but it's real thin transom. It ain't 1.5, it's like a 1-inch transom. And with this dual bracket right here, support, it might be a pain in the butt to get out. It's looks like a 1432. I haven't measured it yet, but it's definitely narrower than that other boat. It's got 2 bench seats. But really, I didn't buy the boat for the boat. Basically bought it for the trailer. Trailer's got some pretty cool stuff. It don't have a spare on it. This needs to be adjusted, at least for this boat. But check this out. I ain't never seen this before. Anybody ever seen a clamp system like this for a boat? Where you can loosen this and take it off, hold your boat on there. That's pretty neat. Trailer, it's a lot better shape than that other trailer. Like I said, the reason I bought this boat is for the trailer, and check out the motor. The motor's an old Honda 10 horse. What's cool about it is it's a 4-stroke. It's pretty neat. It also comes with a gas tank. I'm guessing it's the same gas tank that came with the motor. It's pretty cool. It's got this little side thing. Got you a spot to put oil in it. And it's got a little tool bag. How cool is that? This gas tank might be worth more than that whole boat. All right, so what I've decided to do is Frankenstein me a boat out of these two boats. I'm gonna take, this is definitely the better boat. I'm gonna take this boat, put it on that trailer, take that Honda and put it on this boat. And that'll be my boat, and I'll put all the extra parts together to make one boat and try to sell it in like a month or so when more people are looking forward to going fishing and stuff. But I thought, why not do a little series on it? Originally I was just gonna make this a little river boat, a beater boat, but the more I think about it, I kind of want to do a little custom build on it. Not nothing just crazy like Tiny Boat Nation build, but something pretty nice. I'm gonna paint it, put a little camo paint job on it. I already ordered some stencils for it and I got the paint. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and deck it out in the front and maybe a small one on the back. And I think that'd be pretty cool. I've never done that before, so I'm kind of excited about it. And like I said, do step by step in the series, and I guess this will be episode number 1 of the boat build. That's what I'm working with. I've already started working on this one, which I filmed it, but it'll be in the next episode, I guess. But all right, that's what I got. And the next episode will be me working on this boat and slowly transforming, see what I can come up with. I'll see you then.